amma sain si baile vek ule
Hey vo in chu RUNTEA NEN bal kan phun don ni hi khu la ya khwanin karos mun china nia ma se swimming pool hi kan siam thata wangin kan ron da chawa. You ready to work? For Emmy? Lại chu har sadon khop mai tero bite.
vo in Friday mi som ni paria thianin RUNTEA min puyanga hei hela hianin pangpar kan da na tura khur kan han chau don ani na thoda ne ro rem changte an hretia alowa an ti dan turte han hre angai bokani
Khur lai tura lian angrenga.
heta hian dol kan phun don ani nakuma chuanin chang el chi kalanga ta hian chang el phun ka du ani
Lai sau sau ro. Kan pangpar da na tur. Okay. Just try to make the pile one place so you know it will not be everywhere. Just make a big pile on one side. Yeah, right there. Okay. I think it's good. Okay, now with the yeah, I think atok achato bite ngoi ro so da kaning low tour. Okay. Hey Beanie. Okay, let's go down there. I'll show you. We gotta yeah, we gotta yeah. Yes, that's what we're gonna. Hey, kan phun tur, kan bal. Okay. All right. Hang on. Okay, you think it's big enough? The hole is big enough?
Yeah, I think so.
You think so?
Probably, yeah. No, that's more than enough.
Okay. Okay, get the other one. He can phun don ani he. Grab the other one.
We're planting two of those?
The red one. The red one.
What do you mean the red one?
Next to the. Hi, baby. Kan no te hi dam lawa se ji hi. Yeah. We're gonna plant some of that too. Hey, po hi. Are there ants?
Yeah, tons.
Oh boy. Okay. Leave it there. Hey, mi te hi. He ta hianin kan phun don ni. Ngor oh bite. Let me take care of the ants first, okay? All right. So may na fill niya RUNTEA hi. Okay. You got to do it slowly and then hi kan hang nghe ni bal le he mi hi kan phun don ni ta hianin ka soyang khan la hi ka rose garden tree na nya tun chuanin hei swimming pool kan siam thata wang hen om to lowa
RUNTEA hianin engtilai pan min tran pui pe a fel em a na tho hi a hre mi alowa chu wang chuanin a kalom ve
Oh, you want popcorn? Okay.
em ani
Ka siam mang bite oh. Hey ka an kan zo ve le ka ron siam sakang che. Okay, do the shovel now with the. You're tired? You're working hard. Oh, but there, move the plant. Yeah, you're too close. Move the plant. It's fine. Okay. I don't want you breaking. Okay. All right. I thought okay. Thought may yang a bit there. After that. All right.
Kan lei khur cho na la hi asak lu tu kha a har sat tat me ya hi kan ti trang ani hi
Kan chen te thing hi lian lut tu ka tlai a chuan ni kan hmu lo to ni. Okay. Okay, Lars. You're gonna help out too?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna put these plant first. Are you helping, Danny? Anh run chuak ta vek mai run te chawin min run puya. Okay. Hey. What you doing? You want to help Emmy? Ole, drop it there. Ole.
No.
Okay, Larcy. Pull that and set it.
In the hole?
Yeah, in the hole. Towards the next to the slowly. Yeah, slowly. Okay. All the way. No, all the way. Yeah, right there.
It looks like earth.
Okay. Now, Rooney, you do the other one. You set. Okay. Just hold it. You think it's gonna come out now? Get the box closer to the hole, so you can dump it in. So you won't have to. Okay. All right.
Okay.
Oh! Yay! We did it! Yeah. All right. Hey, you gonna help?
Gonna help Danny?
Make it even. Okay. All right. You don't have to put the whole thing. We can put the dirt that you dug out, okay? So, okay. All right, now cover it with the dirt here. Larcy, you help out. Then you guys can go to the store.
You know, make a shovel. You
Yeah.
make a big shovel.
Okay, slowly, okay? Don't put the rocks. Take the rocks out. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. Low soy that's fine. Say apoy low, tro. Say apoy low. Apoy low. And you know what? Danny will water. Okay. Get more dirt out.
Where you go?
This side.
Yeah.
Where I go?
Okay. Your job, Danny, your job will be putting water.
Then you have to water the plant.
Yeah. All right. Wow.
That's good.
Okay. All right. Andal doon niya oh. One, two. Oh,
Yeah, it works.
it worked.
Yeah.
Completely fine.
Okay, here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yay! There you go! Yay! Yay! Wow!
Uttering the plants.
Okay. You're gonna say, thank you for watching. Kan lo me? Alright. Okay, all done. Thank you, Rooney. Thank you, Larcy. And thank you, Jamie. Alright, all done. Okay.
Ole kati te mai kha kan lo share le cheu ni e. Thank you so much and God bless.